Nikola Tesla was born to an Orthodox priest's family in Smiljan, now Croatia. From childhood, he amazed villagers with his keen observation of nature and mechanics. After studying engineering in Graz in Prague, he dreamed of taming lightning and giving the world wireless electricity. In America, Tesla created the polyphase system that transformed cities and sparked an energy revolution. His labs flashed with artificial lightning, and he could hold electricity without harm. He believed energy should be free for all. "I do not seek fame. I seek a way to help the world," he said. Stories spoke of mystical experiments, friendship with Mark Twain, visions of the future, even contact with alien minds. He dreamed of wireless thought transmission and global towers. He died alone, but Tesla's name became a symbol of bold ideas far ahead of their time. Dmitri Mendeleev was born in Tobolsk into a large family of a school principal. He lost his father early, but thanks to his mother, he studied at the St. Petersburg Pedagogical Institute. Even as a young man, he showed remarkable scientific talent, becoming one of the brightest chemists of his time. He is remembered as the creator of the periodic table that transformed our understanding of matter. Legend says the idea came to him in a dream, which he quickly wrote down. He predicted unknown elements, and his forecasts proved true. "I saw in a dream a table where everything fell into place," he shared. Beyond chemistry, he worked on metrology, designed water supply systems, and even helped standardize Russian vodka to an exact proof. His character mixed genius with blunt honesty, and his life combined strict discipline with deep faith in science. The world remembers him as the scientist who changed how we see matter. Michael Faraday was born in London to a poor blacksmith's family. As a child, he worked as a bookbinder's apprentice and spent his free time reading about science. Fascinated by experiments, he managed to attend lectures by chemist Humphrey Davy and became his assistant, starting his remarkable scientific journey. Faraday became a pioneer in studying electricity and magnetism, discovering the laws of electromagnetic induction and inventing the first electric motor. His work laid the foundation of electrical engineering, and he relied more on imagination and experiments than on complex math. "All my life, I tried to ask nature the right questions," he said. Despite worldwide fame, Faraday remained humble and declined knighthood. He gave lectures for children, believing science should be accessible to all. His name is forever linked to the idea of the field, which transformed physics. Louis Pasteur was born in the small French town of Dole to a tanner's family. As a child, he loved drawing, but chose the path of science. Thanks to perseverance and talent, he became a professor of chemistry in Strasbourg, where he began the famous experiments that changed medicine and biology. Pasteur proved the existence of microbes and their role in disease, created the pasteurization method, and developed the first vaccines against rabies and anthrax. His research saved millions of lives and changed how we see the invisible world of bacteria. In science, chance favors only the prepared mind, he said. Pasteur was not only a scientist, but also a passionate patriot. During the Franco-Prussian War, he refused to lecture in Germany. His perseverance and belief in experiment transformed medicine and opened the path to modern microbiology. Victor Hugo was born in Besançon, France, into the family of a Napoleonic army officer. From an early age, he showed talent for poetry and prose, as well as interest in politics. At 20, he published his first book of poems, marking the start of his path to the heights of French literature. Hugo became famous as the author of The Hunchback of Notre Dame and Les Miserables, works that became symbols of the fight for justice and compassion. He opposed the death penalty and political oppression, and years in exile only strengthened his voice. "Nothing is more powerful than an idea whose time has come," he wrote. Hugo was a deputy, poet, artist, and dreamer. His funeral turned into a national mourning procession. Millions said farewell to the man who gave words to the poor and hope to the oppressed. Today, his work continues to inspire belief in humanity and the power of kindness. Charles Dickens was born in Portsmouth, England, to a clerk's family. His childhood was overshadowed by poverty and years spent in a workhouse. These hardships left a deep mark on his heart, becoming the foundation for his future novels. Full of compassion for the little people and criticism of the social ills of the Victorian era, Dickens became famous as a master of the social novel. Oliver Twist, Dombey and Son, Great Expectations, A Christmas Carol gave a voice to the poor and orphans. He skillfully mixed irony and tragedy, painting vivid yet bitter portraits of London. "Nothing is more contagious than laughter, and nothing is as contagious as kindness," he said. His books exposed the hypocrisy of power and called for compassion. Even as a world celebrity, Dickens kept reading aloud, trying to reach people's hearts. Today, he remains a symbol of faith that words can change the world. Edgar Allan Poe was born in Boston to a family of actors, orphaned young and raised by merchant John Allan. From an early age, he showed a passion for literature and wrote poetry. His life was shadowed by poverty, illness, and inner demons. Yet this struggle gave rise to some of the most mysterious and dark works in world literature. Poe is considered the founder of the detective genre and a pioneer of psychological horror. His Raven became a symbol of eternal sorrow, and his tales about the horrors of the human soul still impress today. He wrote of fear and the mind's secrets, of love and death, of a world where the line between sleep and reality is thin. He said that beauty is always linked with sadness, and poetry must disturb the soul. His death under mysterious circumstances only deepened his legend. Even after centuries, Poe continues to inspire artists, writers, and filmmakers, reminding us that truth often hides behind darkness.